Actually, the problem is, including IBPI or the NCLT, they are not knowing that it is IBPI which gave guidelines. I'll show you. BLRC report, Standard Chartered Bank, Vijay Kumar Jain was a Standard Chartered Bank. Everything I'll show you. Whatever you do, I will give simple examples, sir. How do you test a regulation violation against a person? Lord Hanuman went to in search of Sita, and there he was searching in the Antapur of Ravan, and there he found everybody is in nude. Then he found Mandodari sitting in the corner. Then Hanumanji says, "Ayyo, have I done mistake?" Then he says, "Whatever I am doing is for Ramakar, in search of Mata Sita. Therefore, it is not violation. Therefore, this should be any regulation should be tested against the objectives of the code. And the objectives of the code, so long as you are achieving a company which is not worth 100 crores, I got 700 crores. That is why they all removed me. I will talk to you about it. Luckily, we have a very good chairperson. I have great respect for him, the new person. All of them, they are all our friends only, but they are trying their best. I am not finding fault with IBB or anything. We are trying to correct the system. We are sharing. I may be ignorant person, but I have right to tell them in the interest of the nation. And you are also trying your best to make sure. Right. Now, sir, this is my grievance. I want you to serious allegations. With what serious allegations? Did I murder somebody? Or did I take money from somebody? Valuation report is circulated. He himself doesn't know. Valuation report is to be done in accordance with law. Right. Admitted fact, liquid share. Alright. Up till this I have come. Now, 34.5 is amended. Regulation 34.5 has to be read with 21. 21 is says, listen to me. Even on the other day, I was telling the NCLAT, Mr. Justice Venugopal, he was telling this. I said 21 talks about confidential maintaining, whereas 34.5 talks about whether circulation report is confidential or not. So both are different. We cannot merge them. 21 to be read with 34.5. Oh yes, you know too much, something like that. He said that is different matter. Now I am coming to my screen sharing, sir. Now I am ready to keep you informed. These are the points. Now my arguments. Screen sharing I will read. It's like my arguments, and your lordships can just answer them, that's all. I will be grateful. Then I will present this to Madras High Court. Because division bench, the matter is pending. I have sent it yesterday by email, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Can I make it big? Yes. So this is the written arguments that I have given to your lordships, and I'll take care. Right. Amma? Keep quiet. Sir, this is the order of the Madras High Court, which direct. I only asked Madras High Court, if your lordships are going to take this bench, then they will never hear the matter. Then I will be suspended till I retire. Therefore, you kindly allow me to go and present my case before them. So the court has written like this. Heard the petitioner appearing in person. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable on 14th February. We are not inclined to stall the inquiry. Therefore, I am before you. The inquiry may proceed on its own merits, because the learned single judge of this court has not decided any issue, nor any finding has been arrived conclusively. Therefore, that learned single judge decision is as good as not there. It is for the authorities, your lordships, to consider the case put forth by the petitioner on its own merits. So please proceed. 14.2 it will come for hearing. Right. Now, my sir, why this complainant came to you, I will tell you. The complainant himself was a student of mine, because he was after retirement he wants to pursue CA exam. Therefore, I was helping him. Even in PhD exam, I was helping him. Be as it may. The complainant filed the complaint after his Yes, sir. Yes.
It is not why he has complained and the motive behind the complaint.
Yes.
But I am really bothered by the fact
Actually, sir, I will you complete it? Can I
So
proceed?
you never got 1 minute. So you refrained from various hearings and you on the text that it is pending with the High Court, and we very honored the High Court very much that they continued and finally gave a reasoned order that it should disciplinary proceedings can go on its logical end and logical basis. So that is very clear. And
Yeah.
what you are not saying again, on the 16th of this month,
Yes.
January,
Yes.
say NCLT judgment, unclad judgment. So unclad judgment, you have seen it on the case.
Yes.
So it is saying very
One minute.
clearly that sharing
1 minute.
the
Just a minute. Double sound is coming.
because you have checked on, so you switch off 1 second.
Yes. Because they are doing that screen sharing. Please tell us.
So 16th January, and CAT has clearly established
Yes.
that